We think of communication as what's said out loud, the words we write, the slides we show, the meetings we hold. But the most important voices in a team are often the ones you never hear. The quiet hesitation before a reply. The smile that covers disagreement. The silence that means something's wrong, but I can't say it here. These are the hidden voices, and they decide whether global teams thrive or fracture. In the MC3 method, we teach leaders to treat silence as a form of information. Every culture uses it differently. In Germany, silence might signal completion, I've said what I mean. In Japan, it signals respect, I'm giving your idea time to breathe. In the UK, it can mean discomfort, in France, strategic pause. Same gap, different meaning. When you assume silence equals agreement, you lose half the truth. When you learn to read it, meetings start to reveal what's really being decided. Tone, timing, and what's not said. Language tells you the what. Tone and timing tell you the how. That's where hidden voices live. The pause before a question. The softening word that signals hesitation. The timing of replies on email, instant, delayed, or never. These tiny cues form a parallel conversation. Leaders who notice them get early warnings that something is off long before conflict appears in writing. Why global teams miss it? Virtual work makes the quiet even quieter. Screens flatten emotion. Translation apps erase tone. And in English, the world's default business language, nuance often disappears entirely. That's why global communication isn't just about more words. It's about better listening. The kind that happens when you stop needing everyone to speak your way. How to hear the hidden voices. MC3 calls this deep listening across cultures. It's a skill you can train, not a talent you're born with. Try this in your next meeting. Count the talk time. Who dominates? Who rarely speaks? Watch timing. Do some people respond instantly while others wait? Ask gently. I noticed you paused there, what were you thinking? Let silence do its work. Don't rush to fill it. You'll be surprised how much information appears once you stop forcing sound into every second. Leadership that listens. The best leaders aren't louder. They're quieter inside. They notice tone shifts, pauses, micro-hesitations, and they act on them before tension hardens. That's not soft skill. It's strategic awareness. The MC3 method trains teams to see silence as signal, not absence, a new literacy in global work. Because the real conversations aren't only happening out loud. They're happening in the spaces in between.